In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DNS record in GoDaddy. If you need to connect your domain to a website, verify a service, or point part of your domain to another location, adding a DNS record is an important step. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where your domain is currently managed, because DNS settings are tied directly to that domain. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account-related options and products. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the services and domains connected to your account. Take a moment to find the domain you want to update. Then click on Domain to open its settings. You'll be taken to the management area for that specific domain, where you can control different features related to it. Next, click on DNS. This is the section where all your domain records are stored and managed. DNS records tell the internet where to send traffic for your domain, so it's important to enter everything carefully and double-check the details before saving. Once you're in the DNS area, click Add New Record. This opens the form where you can create a new DNS entry. You'll now see an option to select the record type. Choose the type that matches the instructions you were given. For example, different services may ask for an A record, CNAME record, TXT record, or something else, so be sure to select the correct one. After selecting the type, enter the name and the value exactly as provided in your setup instructions. These fields are very important, and even a small typo can prevent the record from working correctly. You'll also need to set the TTL, which stands for Time to Live. This controls how long DNS information is cached before refreshing. In many cases, the default setting is perfectly fine unless a specific TTL is required. Once everything is filled in, review the information one more time. This extra check can help you avoid mistakes and save troubleshooting time later. When you're done, click Save. That's it. You've successfully added a DNS record in GoDaddy. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to propagate, so the update might not work instantly. If needed, give it a little time and then test the connection again.